We talked about testing earlier. I want to give you another tip. You could argue this is an advanced tip, but you seem like a pretty smart crowd here. I want to give you some advanced tips, even though this is a beginner course, because it's not particularly difficult. It costs nothing, and it can help you get so much more comfortable and confident when you are giving that presentation. So here's the concept. You're giving a presentation to 6 important colleagues on Thursday or 2 very important clients on Tuesday. Find 1 or 2 colleagues or a friend Tuesday at lunch. Give them your presentation. When you're done, don't ask them what they think. They're your friends. They're going to say, oh, good job, you'll be fine. Worthless advice. Instead, ask them, what do they remember? If they remember your key messages, that means you're doing something right. Keep it up. If they remember your images, that means your images, your slides work. Keep them. But if they can't tell you exactly what your messages are, why they think you're speaking to them, that means it's not too late to go back to the drawing board. Retool it. Keep practicing until your test audience gets it. I know this seems advanced, but it's a lot easier than staying up till midnight rewriting bullet points and changing font sizes on PowerPoint slides, which is how a lot of beginners and advanced people spend their time preparing for a presentation.